Have you ever wondered if Claude AI can actually help with trading? The answer is yes, but probably not in the way most people think. A lot of beginners expect AI to magically predict the market and tell them exactly when to buy or sell. That's not how professional traders use AI. Instead, they use Claude AI as a research assistant. Let me show you how. First, open Claude AI and give it market information. You can paste news articles, trading charts, project updates, earnings reports, or even screenshots of market data. Then ask questions like, summarize the key points. What are the bullish and bearish signals? What risks should I watch out for? Within seconds, Claude can break down complicated information into simple language that anyone can understand. The second way to use Claude AI for trading is market research. For example, if you're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, stocks, or any asset, ask Claude to compare different opportunities. You can say, compare Bitcoin and Ethereum for long-term investors, or what are the biggest risks for this stock? This helps you make more informed decisions instead of trading based on emotions. Third, use Claude to build trading plans. You can ask, create a swing trading checklist, create a risk management strategy, help me calculate position sizing. Professional traders focus heavily on risk management, and Claude can help organize your trading process. Another powerful use is journaling. Paste your trade details and ask Claude to analyze your mistakes, identify patterns, and suggest improvements. This can help you learn much faster than trading blindly. But here's the important warning. Never use Claude AI as your only source of trading decisions. AI can make mistakes, misunderstand market conditions, and provide outdated information. Always verify information yourself and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Think of Claude AI as a smart assistant, not a financial advisor. If you use it correctly, it can save time, improve research, and help you become a more disciplined trader. And that's exactly how smart traders are starting to use AI today.